Who didn't hear them death? I'm gonna rob people. Anybody know them death? If you don't know them death, hello guys, my name is death. Ah! Oh, poopy head.
I need to somehow freaking break that shot. But you see, bunch of teamers.
Now! Give me some food. Who's the chef in here? Who's the chef in here? Bob, I will the chef. Me, and I will shank you up. Who just stabbed me? Ah! Hold on. I'm not gonna kill anyone. I'm just came here to work.
Ah, great.
Hey, everybody, there's a guy here. This guy, there's this blue on the roof. Get out of there now. I won't kill anyone. Hey, I'm on the team. I'm on the team. You attack him. Alright, let's do it. Okay. No, please. I want to. Oh, there's a shield over here. Hey. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Oh.
Great, I missed.
It's because I'm black. I forgot it was
Real bullets because you're black.
Freeze! Because I'm black. No, I'm not gonna shoot you. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna try to stop the people from racially motivated. Okay. Freeze! Hands in the air. You gonna help me out? Oh shoot! There he is. Freeze! Hands in there. Drop the weapon. Oh! I came in this. I need backup. I came in this. It's racially motivated. No, I'm racially motivated.
I get too worried.
What? I'm the most racist. Hey, I'm not gonna shoot anyone. I just came in here. Oh yeah, hell yeah. I mean no harm.
What?
What?
There you go.
Whoa! Buddy, what did I even do? What did I do? Calm down. Calm down. Hey! I came into this restaurant. Not to get racially motivated. You fucking...
Hi, Blue.
Hi.
I'm not gonna kill you, Blue.
Yo, bro.
Because I don't feel like killing everybody today.
Don't shoot your pants.
I will kill.
I need backup. Backup on the road. Yo, what are you trying to do? He's 6 foot. He has dreads on, and he seems to be wearing a...
Noise!
Look at it.
Okay, I'll let you live.
Oh, sorry! I didn't mean to shoot! Stop! I didn't mean to shoot!
Nice try, buddy.
I'm begging! Where? I'm begging on my man. I have 47 I need backup! Blue's trying to wait me!
Ain't nobody gives a shit. Alright, bro. Hey, my boy. Blue, run! I got you!
What the hell?
Ah! Kill me. Hey, Slimmer.
You trying to mess with them?
Headshot!
Come on. I gotta get out of here.
Stop running, little kid.
I need backup. Well, I work here.
I'm not letting you die.
I'm waiting for you, boy. Alright, I need to get to the hospital quickly. What you guys doing? This joint. I didn't shoot at him. Guys, I shot at that guy. I didn't get out of here. Hey, what are you stopping me for? What about killing me for? Thank you. Thank him, right? I'm just gonna get right in the throat. Funky. What the hell? Bro, where's Broom? I killed you, Black, right in the throat. You like that? You trying to kill me, Black? The tires? Of course he's trying to kill you. Look at him.
Oh,
Straight through
I don't know
your
if he's
throat.
still or not. This room must spare him.
Black.
What?
Team.
Yeah, sure, you cool. Oh, watch out, kid! Watch out!
I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to hurt you. I will.
Watch out!
Oh, dude, it's the gang! Freeze! Oh!
Run, kid, Paco!
Kill Black.
Run, kid, Paco!
I'm sorry!
Literally every single Black.
Nah, I think I missed Kill Rosie! Oh my god. Oh, they're targeting me.
I got a bit too excited.